incredibly pleased to be able to announce that the winner for the category is Oakston Solutions Limited.
So for us to win the Small Renovation Award is amazing. It shows how far we've come in 5 or 6 years we've been going. It's just a massive achievement for us, and hopefully we can push on from now and go again for next year. So this award will positively impact our business. Hopefully we'll get some recognition throughout the country, get our name out there, hopefully help us to win more projects in the future. I'd like to say to my team just a massive thank you. They're good friends of mine, all of them. They work really, really hard, really trustworthy, great team. Really happy and really pleased to have them. The thing I most value about being a master builder is just having accreditation behind us, being vetted so customers can see we are a proper outfit. We're not just any man that's turned up from off the street. So I did enjoy the virtual ceremony almost, although I would have loved to be there. I think it would have been a great day out for me and my team, but it went really well. Nick Knowles was a great sport doing it, although all the technical issues. So it was really good, really enjoyable.
So Trustmark is the government licensed quality scheme for trades in and around the home, so domestic dwellings. We see the Master Builder Awards as elevating standards, and it's making visibility of organisations that are delivering very, very high quality standards with innovation, technology and imagination. And some of the work that I've looked at, some of the people that have come through as finalists, is so aesthetically good looking work that the whole process is a really good thing to be engaged with, and we're so pleased to be engaged with it.